Rising IT costs, cybersecurity threats, and widening skills gaps are stretching internal teams too thin. 46% of surveyed executives say their IT staff can't meet current business expectations. That's where managed services come in. According to Jason Stitt, co-founder of IT Force, many companies still don't see how proactive IT support protects productivity and cuts risk. But the benefits of managed IT services are measurable. Fixed monthly pricing helps stabilize budgets, 24/7 monitoring reduces breach risk, and faster ticket resolution keeps teams productive. As your business scales, managed providers adapt, no expensive hires needed. They help with compliance, offer enterprise-level tools, and free up internal teams to focus on strategy instead of password resets. And it's not just about tech. Human-first support means providers learn your workflows and guide smarter decisions. The right partner becomes an extension of your team, helping you modernize, automate, and accelerate digital transformation. Read the full article on our website to explore all 9 benefits. And don't forget to add us to your Spotify playlist.